My husband called it Louisa's Hungarian Kitchen because all the food I prepared turned out to be of that nature. We all liked Hungarian food, but my husband had a problem with his heart, so he was told not to eat many fatty foods. So in all of my cooking, I had to narrow down any of the oils or fats that were prominent because I had to cook sensibly for my husband. They use a lot of rice in Hungary, and when they make their stuffed peppers or stuffed cabbages, they mix the rice with the ground meat and season it, and everything that you cook, you add paprika to. And this is what makes it Hungarian, because that is a Hungarian herb. And we make the stuffed cabbage and the stuffed peppers. Then we make chicken paprikash, again with the paprika, and it's a form of stewed chicken that has a cream sauce, and the flavoring is paprika. They do the same thing with veal and with pork. And when you do it with pork, you can always add the rice and the sauerkraut, and then it becomes a dish called székely gulyás, which is named after the city where it was invented. And the Hungarians are noted for all of their goulashes. The word gulyás is the Hungarian pronunciation. And it's just a matter of what is put into the stew or the soup, which creates the name of it. If it is going to be with cabbage, then it's going to be called a cabbage goulash. And it mostly has potatoes. And the Hungarians are very well known for their vegetable soups because they work out in the field, and when they are hungry, they make a little bonfire and heat up their vegetable soup, which is full of vitamins and vegetables, and gives them a nice hearty meal in order for them to finish their work out in the fields. And then we have, of course, the Hungarians are noted for their wine. They have a very strong red wine called Bikavér. And then they have a very nice mild wine called Tokaj. And they also have some little white wines that are very refreshing. But Hungarians like to have salad as well, and they make salad with cucumbers. They slice the cucumbers and slice the onions very thin, salt and pepper and paprika it, and then they put either vinegar and water, or they can cream this salad, because it's a variety of what you're going to serve it with. And then their tortas and cakes are fantastic because they love to bake, and sometimes their baking takes all day in the oven, but it's well worth it because everything is so tasty.